Now, have you ever woken up in the middle of the night with a dream of a delicious, crispy little cookie in your hand? So let me show you how with this little magic cookie sheet, you can make hundreds of cookies very, very quickly. Make the mixture. We use our chocolate chip cookie mix, and the chocolate chips are not mixed in this time. We put the chocolate chips into a dish with warm water underneath to melt them. I'll show you later on what it's for. The mixture, which we've added a tiny bit of oil to, is very soft and pliable. So once you fill the hollows, then you use a little spatula, offset spatula. By the way, the kids just love to work with this. Now we can use one of our spoons again. Just lift it and gently Now what could be easier? The next lot, you simply just use another piece of baking paper. These are wonderful baking sheets, eh? Come, sweetheart. And now, if you're doing sprinkle cookies, they look so happy always. Okay, darling, into the oven. Now, out of the oven, but now to make a good thing, even better, let's sandwich these cookies together. So then we use some melted chocolate. Now, isn't that simple and delicious? You can use this paper over and over again. Tea time, cookies, a nice cup of rooibos tea, and join me